Today meditate the word. Genesis 7:5. Noah did everything that the Lord had commanded him. Noah found grace in the eyes of the Lord. The Lord brought judgment on the earth. How? Why? Verse 6 told, when human began to swell the earth, the man began to live randomly. Those who feared God were called sons of God. They married women who did not fear God. Therefore, God was so tormented. The Spirit of God reported from the sons of God, my spirit is not to fight man forever. When we let to the Spirit of God, man's wickedness increases on the earth. The memories his heart are all evil. The Lord was angry with this man and wanted to destroy them all. To a man named Noah, grace was found in the eyes of the Lord. Noah was righteous. He was truth. He was walking with God. We see a world where wickedness has left God. We see sons of God who have lost the Spirit of God. We see servant of God who have lost the Spirit of God. We see church who have lost the Spirit of God. We see brother and sister who have lost the Spirit of God. We see hypocrisy. We see cheating. We see gossiping. If this is what it all shows. Those who have lost the Spirit of God, they have filled the earth with wickedness. Matthew 5:8 told, blessed are the pure in heart, they will see the God. Purity of heart without of wanting. They are constantly provoking God with evil in their hearts. These are the results of the distractions. How should we be in such a situation? To live righteously, to live truth, to walk with God. When the Spirit of God comes and about sin and about righteousness and about judgment, will feel condemned, we called to all truth. He will announce things to come. He will announce what we need to do. John 8:32 told, then you will know the truth and the truth will set you free. Verse 13 told that towards Noah. Verse 14 we see, tie a ship with copper wood. How gave the plan to build that ship. Noah did everything the Lord taught him to do. Chapter 7:2 told the Noah done that. He did everything God commanded him to do. We are waiting for the Lord to speak to us. Are we doing what He said? Are we true before Him? Are we living with Him? Do we examine ourselves on a daily basis?